it's Tammy, and welcome back to my channel, Tammy Thompson/TVMG. Today, I am doing a unboxing or unpackaging of something that was sent to me, and it's for a open invite collab that is hosted by I Style My Style. And what she's doing is a week of, I want to make sure I get it correct. So it's called the Totally Dazzled Project Week. It starts this week on the 20th. So I wanted to open up my items and kind of give you guys a reaction to what I feel about what I feel about the items. I'm sorry. I just got my arm caught in between the seat and the desk. But so let's get started. So this is the package that I got from Totally Dazzled. So there's a few things that are supposed to be in here. So let's see what we have. I'm sorry, I'm making a lot of noise. No gold scissors today. They're actually in my living room. My whole apartment is a war zone. It looks like it's a war zone. So I probably should have put some lotion on before I did this. So I did get a free gift, which is very sweet. So it says, Totally Dazzled. Thank you so much for your order. It gives me great pleasure to send you these dazzling rhinestone pieces. I'm confident that they will brighten your day and bring sparkle to any occasion. We want you to be totally happy with your order. We are just a call or email away if there is anything else we can assist you with. And Natalie Mounter, so that was my thank you note that was in there. And then I got a free gift. It says, thank you for your order. Please accept this tiara brooch as a token of our appreciation for your business. But there is something you should know. When you purchase from Totally Dazzle, you're also helping to support the incredible work of the Princess Project. This amazing organization provides free prom dresses and accessories to teens who couldn't otherwise afford them. With your help, we have been able to donate thousands of brooches to this worthy cause. So that is my lovely brooch. I don't know if you can see it. Pretty sure you can. I'm trying to get it to focus in. It's not really doing it for me, but so that is my tiara brooch. And I think I'm a princess anyway, so you know, I'll use that definitely. All right. So this is my Totally Dazzled bag. I love that they sent me a bag. So that's pretty neato. All right. And let's see. So I got 4 rhinestone, gold and rhinestone napkin rings, which are, trying to find somewhere to put on the stuff. So that is these, and I got 4. So there's a reason why I chose golds, and that's how they look. Focus in. Don't use Tammy as your focus. So there they are. They look kind of big for napkin rings, but I'm going to be doing something very fun with these. They're still going to be napkin rings, but I'm going to do something else with them. And then I have a pack number 5 of golds. They're brooches, jewels. I don't know really what they call them, but came in this package here. And there should be 10 of them. Some of them don't have pins on the back, so I don't know if you can see that, but that's the front. So there's 10 different, they're all different. There's a bigger butterfly. So there's 10 different ones. Some of them have, like I said, they have pins on the back. That one's really pretty. That's the one I saw on the website. So, and they send different ones. I'm not going to go through all of them, but this is my biggest one that I have. And it actually has a gemstone that kind of hangs on there. It's just kind of bent up in the package there. So I have those, and there's 10. They're all different. So I plan on doing something special with some of these as well. So with iStyle My Style, and I believe it's Cheryl. She is she's doing a full week of projects with the Totally Dazzled stuff. So I don't think I'm going to be able to participate in the full week, but I will be able to participate in some of the days. So, and this was the Grand Piece de Resistance, and I really love it. And I didn't realize it was this big, but it is the rhinestone, gold rhinestone bling wrap. So that's nice. That's a lot of it, and it's very pretty. And I have an idea for this as well. So, and all of the stuff, I'm going to be using things to kind of update and bling out that I already have in my home. Because, of course, we're supposed to be staying at home. And although I do work, there's not a lot of stuff that my company sells that I can really work with. So I'm going to try to work with a lot of stuff that I already have here. So so the tiara is probably, I am going to wear that on something. So I won't use that in any of this project. But you'll see the napkin rings in the project. You'll see the bling wrap, and you'll see maybe a few of the rhinestone brooches that I have. And you won't see this bag used on anything, but it's very cute. And I plan on putting maybe some of my silver or something like that in there. Or I could put my small Dooney bags in there, because I only have, I think, 2 bags to hold my purses. So, but that is it. That's all I have. Everything else you're going to see in the videos where I show you what I did with the Totally Dazzled stuff. So, and I'll give you a list of what I used and how much, if I can remember how much everything costs, because some of the stuff is stuff that I have around the house. So that I'll be using to create very blingy decor. So, you guys, if you want to check out iStyle My Style and maybe participate, you can go to her channel. The link will be in the description below. And just let her know, look for the video that has the open invite for the Totally Dazzled Project Week. And you can click on it and comment on there and just let her know if you're going to be participating, because at the time I don't think she had very many participants, but I feel like it's fun and everybody likes the little bling in their house. So but yeah, so make sure you head over to her channel and check that out, and then make sure you stay tuned all week. It's the week of the 20th, so make sure you stay tuned all week and see what we all have come up with, everyone that's participating. So you guys, make sure you like the video, share the video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Also, hit that bell and you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. And make sure you head on over to iStyle My Style to check out her open invite collaboration for this Totally Dazzled Project Week collaboration. Make sure you go ahead and head over to her channel and subscribe and hit her bell as well. And then stay tuned for a full week of dazzly, pretty, blingy projects. So until next time, you guys.